Hello, what's up guys, how you doing? In this video we are gonna do 3 months review of FRONTECH KB0010 Keyboard. So this is FRONTECH KB0010 keyboard. I'm using this from last 3 months and it's working perfectly. So there is not any fault come up and it's working very smooth and all keys are working properly, and even not that keyboard that colors gone. I'm using this keyboard a lot for gaming, but it's working really nice and smooth and perfectly. Performance is also pretty good. All LEDs also working perfectly, as you can see. But in my last keyboard which I buy, so this keyboard I also bought at 1000 rupees price like 7 months ago, and I replaced it after using 1 month because of some problem, and now it's not working also. This is my second keyboard after replacement. So this keyboard key is also not working, and yeah, it's not that good keyboard. I don't prefer this keyboard, but this keyboard, FRONTECH keyboard, is really good. I recommend this one in 1000 rupees price. It's really good for normal uses, for gaming too, but like me, it's not good for me. I don't know, I will review this keyboard again after 6 months. Let's see how it's performed after 6 months. This keyboard build quality is like good, but not that much. It's built by plastic. So this keyboard cost me 1300 rupees, and you can get this in around 1000 rupees.